Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel. Today I'll be fixing this Spark 5 screen. I'll be replacing the phone with a brand new screen. So as you can see now, I'm just trying to clean up the dirty at the frame where the screen is supposed to be mounted. So that's what I'm actually doing now. So I'll now have to apply the gum just as usual. Just apply the gum. You know, all these steps, if you follow these steps which I'm showing on this my channel, you can be able to do this thing even at home. You can be able to fix your phone even at home without even worrying about anything. Just follow all these steps I'm always showing on my YouTube channel. You can be able to carry out this work without any, so that's just it. So after applying the gum, because already we have tested the screen, because I told you each time you want to fix any Android screen, you first of all test it. So this one is the brand new screen that we're about to fix now. So anytime you want to do anything Android phone, you first of all test the screen to make sure that the screen, all the alphabets are all pressing. You know, the calibration is working very well before you now pull the gum, just like I'm doing it now. So I've already tested it, just for me to fix the screen back as I am doing it now. So you do it, everything you are doing gently. Now you click the screen pin, to the engine. Then you now put the battery. You fix the battery so that you can be able to so this process is the same process you can use in Tecno Spark 4. Spark 4. For the engine, they share the same similarity. Spark 5, Spark 4 almost share the same similarity, the same engine. The only difference is the camera position. So if you look at this one, you see that the camera is at the side, while the one of Spark 4 is at the center. So but they share similar engine. So you put the thumbprint just like I'm doing it. Then you put the thumbprint cover. You tight it. You tight it very well. Sorry for the noise. You know, my shop is located at a roadside, so that's why all this noise are coming in. Thoroughly tight the nuts very well, and you are good to go. Make sure you didn't leave anything behind. So you couple it just like I've done it now. Then you on it. After that, you on it. So you can see the screen is working perfectly well. Once it's on finish, you test it. You test all the keyboard to make sure that everything is working very, very well. You can hold it with a rubber band. All those things just to secure the screen. You see, all the keypad are working well. Everything is working absolutely well. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share. If you have any question, you can use the comment section to ask me. I'll be reading your comment. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.